Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. I got in some Amy paper, a.k.a. Hey Color. Look at this. Look at that color. Oh yes. I'm going to hide up some of her blue paper because I have a future journal in mind. So let's see what's in this pack. I keep stockpiling it, but it will be used. I guarantee it. She was like, it's not just paper. And I'm like, that's fine, because the journal that I want to make, I can use all these little thingies, like these little pockets or little bags. That. Look at that. Nice. That one. Loving the blue. Loving the blue. I don't know if it's teal. Blue teal. Look at that. Loving it. To make sure Allie don't get her hands on those. I made her a bunch of my own, so she can play with those. Nice. And got another little tag. So cool. And then of course we got the tags. I like how she does those. Dips them in there. And then we got some little cards. And then the when she showed me, I said, as long as I have some paper in, that's cool with me. And we got some envelope. Oh, that's an envelope. And this is side sheets. That's or size like that. Oh, look at, she did a popcorn bag. That's even actually cool. And we got that one. The paper itself. Look at that. Gorgeous. I just love it. You can kind of see a little bit of shimmer to some of these. It looks to me like there is. I could be mistaken. You never know. I like how sometimes you see like a little design going through them. Like some odd dots. I love how that looks. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, look at this one. Oh, it's got that. And that one. Love it. So cool. So this is Amy paper. I always call it Amy paper. I think that's what she should name it. Amy paper. From Eggs Hollow. Her channel name is long, but a.k.a. Hey Hollow. And I will have her channel linked in the description box below. So if you're not familiar with Amy and Amy's paper, go over and give her channel a look-see. And she has monthly subscriptions. Half a month, I think. I buy as I go, because with certain colors. Being a mixed media artist, I have a hard problem mixed media up somebody else's paper. But buying for a journal, to do that, it's good paper to use. So like I said, right, I buy colors that I'm drawn to. And she did send me her Oops package, which I feel okay. But I still had a hard time ripping it up, I'll tell you, when I use it in different mixed media projects. These blues that cover three different stamp period paper pads that I want to turn into journals. And the blue, and all of them worked perfectly with them. So that's why I've been purchasing blue. So, and I know she told me more blues coming out, so I will buy again. So I want to thank you all for watching. I will have Amy's channel linked in the description box below, so please go over, check out her channel. And if you do, and you're new, tell her Tina sent you from Tina's Crafty Life. As always, guys, it's been a pleasure. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Have a good day. It's still Saturday, so it's Saturday. Take it easy. Bye, everybody.